Let's make an app to schedule interviews and help us with our interview process at work using Glide. Here I have a spreadsheet with information about candidates, a schedule, who's interviewing them, and what the open positions are. And here's the app in Glide. I'm going to add some information about a new candidate we want to interview today, Sue. Sue is going to interview for our senior engineering position, and I've added information about her email address, her phone number, her link to her resume, and her photo. In schedule, let's schedule her for some interviews with our team. So let's do one today at 2 p.m. I'm going to pick her email address as the candidate, and then who will be interviewing her. So let's have Michael Scott interview her, and let's put a couple more times in. We need to do 3 interviews. Let's do one at 4 p.m. and one at 6 p.m. And these will all be for Sue, and we'll pick a couple other team members, Jim and Pam. Now Glide will refresh periodically from this sheet every couple of minutes, but we can click reload to bring it in faster. So here we can see a candidate has been added on the candidate screen, and if we open, we can see information about Sue. We have some notes, so we can say she's a vegetarian. She's veggie, no meat at lunch. That way, when people are showing the interview or the candidate around, they can stay on the same page about her. We can see what job she is applying for in the job description. We can get in contact with her in case we need to text or call, view her resume, and see who will be interviewing her throughout the day. On the schedule page, we can see who is interviewing and when. So we can see that Pam is going to interview Sue at 6 p.m. on February 2nd. So opening this from the calendar shows the event, all of the information the interviewer will need about the candidate, the job, the resume, and at the end of the interviewer can take notes. Must hire this phenomenal engineer! Exclamation point, exclamation point. Now, these notes get saved back to the spreadsheet. So I've just entered this one for Pam, and you can see it comes back into the spreadsheet. And other people interviewing the candidate for this position can check the notes from each interview. And this way, everyone can communicate about how well they're going and make the best decision about hiring. This app is free to create from a spreadsheet with Glide. It's a template that you can copy on our website and put your own information in, and hopefully it's useful for you. Thanks.